Hi. Jesus, scared the crap out of me. Doesn't feel like a pike. It's big, whatever it is. Oh, it's a big. Okay, so really quick intro. I'm here at a dam in a special magical place where I almost never get skunked. I don't think I've ever got skunked. However, I'm 6 hours away from home, so it's a special trip. And it snowed a little bit today, rained a lot, so it's a little cold, but this might be my last outing. Hopefully I can go tomorrow too. But yeah, the people leaving said they didn't catch anything, but that's not gonna happen to me, obviously. So here we go. So basically I've got about an hour and a half to 2 hours before it gets dark, so I gotta hammer fish here. And you know what? Since there's no wind, it's not that cold yet. So this little town has two dams. One's further out. I went to this one because I don't have much time, but one's further out and I almost always do good there. I'm fishing with this pickerel rig dude here. I don't know if it's an official pickerel rig, but there's a jig. See, this is a good thing about jigs. This isn't a relatively old jig, it hasn't been here that long, but the hook is rusted out, so keep that in mind when your hook breaks off in a fish's mouth, that's gonna rust out fairly quick. And in most cases, unless he swallows it and it gets complicated, the fish is gonna be okay. Oh, hi. Jesus, scared the crap out of me. That's 3 otters, 4 otters maybe? I saw 3 heads for sure. I was like, what the hell is it? Fish coming up to see me? I'm surprised they didn't get caught on my line, to be honest. Hi, guys. I didn't do good last night, so I decided to get up early-ish and get out to the other set of falls that I'm used to fishing at where I never get skunked. So it's kind of early and the weather kind of sucks. Right now the weather can't decide if it wants to snow or rain. It's not really currently raining and there's not really much snow on the ground, little patches here and there, but it's cold. So yeah, here we go. Catch some big fish. Oh yeah, did I mention I'm also sick? Sort of. Getting there, halfway there, I don't know. I feel like crap. So excuse the sniffing and snorting. This is also going to be sketchy on these rocks. With how wet it is. Oh, the water's lower. That's kind of good actually. Last time I was here, I was just standing right about here on these sketchy ass jagged rocks. Looks like someone threw their partridge here. Yeah, so anyways, last time I was here, I was walking on this big log up here, back and forth, casting down here, and my fish were swimming over towards that raggedy fence. Open your mouth. That might be a fish. Yeah, that's a fish. Did not hammer it. Swallowed it up. Oh, nice wally. Now we just gotta make sure he stays on there. So I don't bring a net very often. Nice one. It's exactly what I want to be keeping. I was concerned, I'll be honest, after the first 10 casts or whatever I did. I was definitely concerned that I was going to get no bites and that this cold fall weather has the fish in odd spots. That's a bite. I think he spit it. He's back. Yeah, there we go. Another nice wally. Get up here. No, 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 no. No! I was so close to grabbing him. This is why we bring a net, people. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. S of a B. It's definitely a little hole around there though. And another one here. Nope. Did I say fish? I meant snag, of course. Ah, it's broken. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, that's a fish. Snags don't fight back. Oh, it makes me so nervous fishing here without a net. Oh, what is that? Looks like a pike, maybe. Yeah, he's taking out drag. Doesn't feel like a walleye. Oh, what is it? No way, what is that? A sucker? I think it's a whitefish, maybe. Might be a whitefish. Or a moon eye? Well, there he goes. Well, you all saw it. I'm confused. I never catch that shit. That's unfortunate. I probably would have kept him if it was a whitefish. Not to say it's as good eating as walleye, but would have been good to can. Now if it was a moon eye, which I'm not too sure it was because I've only ever caught one and it was nowhere near that big, but that's a really cool catch regardless. Another one. This one feels like a wally. Yeah. Well, that was on the next cast. So that's what I'm talking about right there. Another one. Nice one, about the same size. Making it worth my hands being frozen. Yeah, you know what? I used to clean whitefish for my uncle. He did commercial fishing, and it's been a long time, so I'll be honest, I don't remember the exact details of what a whitefish looked like. So I'll have to Google that one and get back to you guys on that. But yeah, that's one. Oh, this is amazing. It's exactly what I come here for. This is a little bigger. It's taking drag out. This feels like a big walleye, but you never know. Doesn't feel like a pike. It's big, whatever it is. Oh, it's a big walleye. This will be my one over the slot size if I can get him, if I can land him. Oh, I should land it over here where I'm. Look at that one. No, 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 no. Yes. Yes. Look at that. Woo. That's over 4 pounds anyway. 4, man. I might weigh that one. I almost lost that. Woo, I would have been mad. Oh boy. About 4.5. I don't know if you can see it. Look at that warthog. Woohoo! Oh, he's swallowing the other fish's head. I feel mean, but to be fair, I'm going to eat them. Oh, that was a bite. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there it is again. Ha! Gotcha, bitch. I'm gonna land him in that same spot. Come on. Yeah. Nice. My last keeper. Nice little keeper. So I'm gonna stick around and try to see if I can catch me maybe some different species. Kind of like I did with that. I'm gonna keep calling it a whitefish because I'm sure that's what it was, but you never know. My hands are straight icicles. Yeah, you know how they're usually 70% water? Well, I'm pretty sure I'm at least 60% ice. Oh, that's a fish. I thought I was snagged. It's a nice one, I think. Yeah, he's solid. Whatever it is. Another nice wally. I don't get to keep you, unfortunately. Oh, what a... Ouch. Well, that's a testament to sometimes you don't need colored jig heads. Sometimes they just don't care what color you... See you later, buddy. These guys are getting the shit kicked out of them on these rocks. It broke my jig head? Are you kidding me? Look at that. Hook snapped right off. That must have been what caught my finger. Well, damn. Yeah, there's one. That's definitely a little wally, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Hey, buddy. I can't say little, but I haven't caught a single little fish yet. Ouch. Beauty. There you go, buddy. Get out of here. Yeah, this is a bite. There we go. Fish on. It's got to be a little walleye. Nice. Really get those nasty head shakes from these fish. It's weird, he's got that black on his fin, his dorsal fin. Ow. Off to lasagna, buddy. There you go. Well, sorry if it's smudged, but yeah, I gotta be done now. The straps kept messing up on my GoPro chest strap, and trying to fix it. My fingers are basically falling off here. But I did awesome, and I could probably sit here and just catch nice juicy walleye all day long, but it's too cold. And I got that whitefish. I think it was a whitefish, but I'm gonna definitely look that up. All within maybe an hour, a little more. All in all, this will probably be the last time I fish this year. It's well past Thanksgiving, and here in Ontario, there should be some regular snow coming anytime. I'm cold, but I'm happy, and it was totally worth it. So now I got to go clean these fish, and I will see you next time.